About question 7, we have problem about the unit of h value here. Find the length of the hypotenuse in each of these right angle triangle. Round into decimal place where necessary. Convert to the units indicated in red. I mean, the question means you need to change from the different to the red unit, become to the red. And example A. Question A here, you got the side of the hypotenuse here will be A, but before we calculating, I need to convert 1.2 centimeter and the rest here millimeter. I need to convert 1.2 centimeter become to the millimeter first, so 12 millimeter will be here. And about A, I need to write out A in form of the millimeter. 1.2 centimeter is mean 12 millimeter plus 18 square for here, and there's now only using my calculator for figure out the final answer. 4, 6, 8 for this question, and then you got A will be square root of this answer. Square root of the answer round into decimal place, you will got 21.63. Question B. Millimeter, 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, convert this to the millimeter, you got 120. And about number B here, the letter B square will be hypotenuse 120 square plus 19 square, and B square will be 120 square plus 19 square equal to 22500, and square root of this number will be 115 millimeter in the answer of this quantity. Okay, that is number B. Question B. Question C, the same thing here. 1 centimeter. Okay, the centimeter here and convert it to the unit indicated in red is mean millimeter. So 10 will be this one, and the hypotenuse here will be C. C square will be 10 square plus 50 square, and yes, 10 square plus 50 square, 2600, and C will be square root of 2600. You got here is 15.99 millimeter. Okay, that is question C. The next question is D here, 1.3 meter. Yes, 1.3 meter. Convert this to the centimeter. Centimeter, decimeter, and centimeter here. Okay, meter here. And 130 centimeter. And the answer here for letter D. D square will be 130 square plus 85 square. 130 square plus 85 square. And 125. This is D square, and about only D, you will got here is 155 and 32. About question E, kilometer and meter. Kilometer 0, 1 kilometer. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, and meter. Yes, you got this number, 1010. 1010, and for here you got 450, and the letter here will be E. E square will be 450 square plus 1010 square. Okay, one more time, I need my calculator. Square here, this larger number 1222600, and for E will be the square root of this number. You got 1105.71. 71 two decimal place. Question F. Wow, meter and millimeter. Okay, but I need to convert this become to the meter. So starting with the millimeter here, and meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Oh, here is not this one, and 82 now equal to meter. And for here you will got question letter F. F square will be 0.013 square plus 0.0082 square here. 0.013 square plus 0.0082 square. And okay, take square root of this answer. You will got F equal to 0.015 and 4. And this means 0.01. No, 2 decimal place. I think I need to convert this one become to 2. Here, 0.02 millimeter. No, meter. Check the answer. Question F here. Oh, okay, that is right answer. We finished question 7. Move to question 8. For each of these triangles, first calculate the length and then find the parameter. We need to one more. Taking one more operation is find parameter. Parameter is mean the total length between 3 sides of the triangle. Okay, now question A. Here is A, and A square will be 2 square plus 3 square. A square will be 4, 9, 13, and A will be square root of 13. And about the parameter, here you will got equal to 2 plus 3 plus square root of 13, because one side is 2, one side is 3, and the last side will be square root of 13. And convert that become to the decimal number, 2 decimal place. Okay, and square root of 13 will be equal to 3.61, and 3.61 plus 5 more, you will have 8.61. Yeah, that is the way how can you so working out for question A. About question B, this is will be B. B square will be 1 square plus 2 square. B square equal to 5 and B equal to square root 5. And about the parameter, this is will be 1 plus 2 plus square root 5. Okay, now time for convert the number. The point here 2.24 and add 3 more 5.24. Question B, we finished. Understanding? About question C, you have the decimal form a little complicated for figure out a little more. C square here is 2.37 plus 5.16 square here and square here. Square first, 5.16 square in the second, and the answer will be 32.2425. And C here will be square root with this one, and 5.68. Yep. And now for the parameter, this is 2.37 plus 5.16 plus 5.68. 2.36 plus 5.16 plus 5.68 here. And we got here is 13 plus 0.21. Question D. The hypotenuse here will be D. And for D square, 0.072 square, 0.038 square. And about D square here will be 0.072 square plus 0.038 square. And the answer is quite complicated for write down. 0.00628, and about D, take square root of this number, 0.08. And the parameter, this one will be 0072 plus 0038 plus 008 now. 0072 plus 0038. Yeah, okay, here is 0.19. That is question D. About question E, E square here, this number will be 5, and this symbol will tell you that these two sides are equal. Equivalent symbol, remember. And here is E, 5 square plus 5 square. E square will be 50, and E here will be square root of 15, this one. Square root of 15 here will be equal to 7.0 and 72 decimal place, and about the parameter will be 5 plus 5 plus 7.08. This means 17.07. 17.07. That is question E. And the last question in this video, you have question F, and the same thing, this side and this side will be equal together, and then you got the number F. F square 3.2 square plus 3.2 square. And about the parameter, this is will be 3.2 plus 3.2, and then add something here. And now it's time for figure out this something. Square and then multiply 2, you got 20.48. 20.48 gives you the answer for question F. 2 decimal place will be 4.53. 4.53. Add 3.2. Add 3.2 one more time. And for here you will got 10.93.